Hello everyone. For today's course, we're going to learn the new method to form surface in Rhino. The command's name is revolve and the real revolve. Now let's get started. As you're seeing, I've already drawn some lines for you. Now for the first one, let's check. The logic of this command is you need a line geometry as your section line or section geometry, and you need axial to revolve your section. And once this section rotated a circle or half circle or some particular angle, you can form a surface. Now, let me show you. So go to the surface tool sector and select revolve and the real revolve. The left click means revolve, but the right click means real revolve. So for now, we just use the revolve tool. Now, look the command bar, select curve to revolve. That means you need to select your section line. So like this, right click, and start of the revolve axles. Okay, this axial. Okay, right now, you see the circle showed up. You can select any angle, how much this section will rotate. So if you select full circle here, it will rotate 360 degrees at once. So it will form like the bow shape. Okay. Now let's look the other one. Like this one. The section line is kind of wrong, so we move this as a right place. So I use move, put it here, right, and join it. Okay, now we get our section line. Now we still use this command. Now there's your section tool and axial. Okay, if I select here, so you can revolve as much as I want. So I just click full circle. See? Okay. Now let's go to the last one. This one is kind of different from the previous one, because if this is a section line, very clear. If I just use revolve, there's your axial. No matter how much I revolve, even the full circle, it can't be formed the heart shape. So what are we gonna do? We need to use the real revolve command. So because the real we need to revolve onto is not a full circle. It's different. It's a random shape. So we need to treat this line, the outline, as the real. So I need to give this section line the real to rotate. Now, this time we use real revolve. So select right click, real revolve. Select the profile curve, this one. Select the real curve, this one. And then start to revolve axial, this one. Okay. But there's a problem. If I expose it, it can be explode to two half heart shape, right? So how I can form a full heart at once? Otherwise, the two shape linked to each other, it's kind of not as smooth. So we need to use this tool. Okay, and this one, merge surface. So I select this one, I select that one. But once I selected, the shape will be changed dramatically. So how we fix that? Go back. Still use this one. Now look at the command bar, smooth. We can change this to no. So let us see what we're going to do. Okay. At this time, this shape can't be exploded. It's always the one shape. Always be treated as a one shape by the computer. So, okay, go back. Let's look the other detail of that command. Still merge surf. So if the smooth is yes, but I still want to keep this two surface as a full heart shape. So look here, the roundness. When the roundness is 1, the shape will be changed dramatically. Just I show you 1 minute ago. So if I change this smaller, 0.1, what we can do? See, it can be rounded by the system, but the change will be slightly, very slightly. Okay. So now that's all the command we need to learn today. Practice again and again, and you will master the revolve and the re-revolve command. Thanks for watching.